Hi guys, Dan Stollers here. We are back with close-up coins. There are going to be 5 more 50p close-up images to guess, and there is also another coin to guess at the end of the video. It is going to be the tiebreaker, and it is going to be a difficult one. As always, all you need to do is comment what 5 plus the bonus coins you think are in this video in that comment section below. You will have until 7 PM on Wednesday to get all of your answers in. I am going to do a prize for whoever does get the most correct, so it definitely is worth playing along. I really do hope that you enjoy this game. I will be quiet now and leave you all to it so you can concentrate. Have a really blessed day, and as always, thanks for watching.